In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a Gmail account exists. We'll walk through this process step by step to give you the guidance you need, and this should take roughly 5 minutes. Understanding whether a Gmail account exists can be essential for different reasons, such as confirming an email address before sending an important message. Let's embark on this quick tutorial, ensuring we cover each aspect thoroughly. First, you'll want to navigate over to Google's account recovery page. To do this, simply open your web browser and type in google.com accounts/recovery. Now, it's crucial at this stage to be on the official Google page for security reasons, so double check the URL if you need to. Once you're on the recovery page, there's a blank field waiting for some input. Here, you need to enter the Gmail address you are curious about. Be careful to type it correctly, as even a minor mistake could lead to a false result. After entering the email address, you're ready to proceed. Next, you'll click on the Next button. This action will prompt Google to verify the account details you entered. This part is quite straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable, as this process requires verifying your input with Google's servers. Once you click Next, Google will begin to check its database to see if the Gmail account you've entered is registered. If the account does not exist, a message will appear saying, "Couldn't find your Google account." This confirmation is clear and indicates that the account is not currently in Google's system. Remember, if you get this message, recheck the email address you entered to ensure accuracy. If indeed you see the "couldn't find your Google account" message, you're offered an option to click on that message itself for further details. Clicking here won't uncover more about the non-existent account, as it doesn't exist, but it's a step that confirms what you've seen. This is more of a formality to ensure clarity on Google's end. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you can confirm whether a Gmail account exists. This process, though straightforward, is invaluable when accuracy is required. Whether you're verifying details for personal use or conducting a professional check, this guide will help you stay informed. Keep these steps handy, and you'll find checking Gmail accounts a breeze. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, happy browsing.